Have you ever stopped and wondered how fast the world is really changing? Sometimes the thought comes quietly when you least expect it. Not as panic, but as a simple question. You see videos about artificial intelligence everywhere now. You hear people talk about automation and smart machines. And for a moment, you think about how it affects your own life. It doesn't make you weak to think that way. It makes you aware, and awareness is the first step toward control. That's what this video is really about. Many people carry this feeling inside without ever talking about it. They go to work, they complete their tasks, they laugh with coworkers. But late at night, things feel different. The noise of the day fades. The questions become a little louder in their minds. What if things change too fast? What if I can't keep up? These are normal thoughts. Change has always been part of human history. Every new technology created fear before it created opportunity. The internet did it. Smartphones did it. Now artificial intelligence is doing the same thing. It feels big. It feels fast. It feels difficult to understand. But change isn't the enemy. Confusion is. And confusion can be replaced with clarity. Artificial intelligence is not a monster hiding in the background. It is not a force that wants to take control of your life. It has no emotions, no intentions. It is a tool, and tools don't replace people. People who understand tools become stronger. Knowledge creates calm. There is a huge difference between fear and preparation. Fear freezes you. Preparation frees you. Understanding gives you confidence. When you learn even a little bit about AI, your mindset starts to change. You stop feeling like a victim. You start feeling capable. You don't become smaller. You become more valuable. That shift matters. That is why this quiz exists. Not to scare you, not to test you, not to embarrass you, just to help. It is simple. It is quick. It is designed for real people. And it shows you where you stand. You don't need any technical background. You don't need advanced skills. You don't need special training. You just answer a few easy questions. In less than a minute, you gain a clearer picture of your situation. Clarity feels powerful. After completing the quiz, your results appear instantly, not in a confusing way, not in a scary way. You see a clear summary of your readiness. You see your strengths. You see your gaps. This is not about judgment. This is about awareness. Awareness gives you control. Some people want to go further after seeing their results. They don't want to stop at awareness. They want a path. That's why we created a simple guide. It breaks things down clearly. It removes the overwhelming feeling. It shows how to move forward calmly, step by step, not rushed. You don't have to stay uncertain. You don't have to feel stuck. You don't have to guess your future. You can take the free quiz today. The link is waiting for you. It only takes a minute, but clarity can last much longer. Start now.